Here at Hi Corbett Field, we get set for Arizona and ASU. Both coaches looking at this as, kind of one of those measuring stick kind of games as to, okay, where are we right now and where are we headed? Be interesting to keep an eye on both clubs, of course, as we continue on. Beautiful night for baseball, and again, the crowd continues to file in at Hi Corbett. Hope you can make it out to see some baseball tonight. We're ready to get things rolling. Here's the pitch, swing and a miss for strike three, and the inning is over. Bouncer to Newman, picks it up, one play to first in time for the out. Here it is. Strike three called at the knees, and the inning is over.
Let's go. Big inning in the start.
All right, go to the bottom of the sixth inning, and over 5,000 on hand to see this rivalry game between Arizona and Arizona State. Sun Devils with a 6-run lead.
Good job. Good job. Give Field a chance down. Good baseball. That's good baseball.
Looking for a spark here. Field has been their spark so far. There goes Dixon, the pitch in there for a strike, throw down to third, and it bounces away into left field. Dixon's going to try and score. Here's the throw to the plate, he scores! And we're tied at 9. There's a ground ball off the glove of Gillis, and safe at first base is going to be Riley Moore. And the 1-0 is hit in the air to left field. Back on it, Coppin still going back. It's over his head, all the way to the wall. Here's Riley Moore on the run. Waved around third base. Here comes the relay throw to the plate. Moore is safe, and the Wildcats take the lead.
Got it.
The 3-1 from Troop popped up left side. Gibbons underneath it. He's got room. He's got time. He makes the catch. Inning over. Game over. And the Cats rally to beat the Sun Devils here at Hi Corbett Field.
That's a good job. You guys are hot. I mean, tonight's a perfect example. You guys are hot. You're playing good baseball, and it wasn't pretty tonight, but there's a lot to be learned from it. Man, there's a lot to be learned. We're chasing runs. We got to take pitches. I mean, that's just, you got to play good baseball. It's Pac-12 baseball. You got to play good baseball. You can't get away with playing bad baseball. We did that earlier in the year. Now it's like, okay, let's just concentrate on playing good baseball, inning to inning to inning to inning to inning. Now, you did a marvelous job of coming back. Marvelous job. I know we won. It's a great win, and I'm happy for you. and you deserve to win. You fought back, you fought back, you fought back, you fought back, you fought back. But like I did to you Saturday in Pullman, there's a standard here. There's a standard of knowing the game. Now I'm a little upset at me because there's a standard here. Me as well as my coaches, we have to know what we're doing each and every pitch because that's the standard here. That's called Arizona baseball. There's a standard here. Learn the game, get a good night's rest. We got to put a good day in tomorrow. So good job. Way to get the job done. Enjoy the evening and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good job. Good job.